In this video, we'll be covering the summary of reading 33 in fixed income CFA level 2. So, this reading is divided into four parts. One is introduction, the meaning of arbitrage free valuation, interest rate trees and arbitrage free valuation, how it is done, and finally we'll end this reading in with Monte Carlo method. What is Monte Carlo method? So, starting with the meaning of arbitrage free valuation. So, what is arbitrage? So, you should know what is arbitrage. So, arbitrage is riskless profit with no net investment of money. It follows the law of one price. Second, what is arbitrage opportunity? There are different kinds of arbitrage opportunity. One is called value additivity and another is called dominance arbitrage. You should be aware of these two. Implications of arbitrage free valuation for fixed income securities. So, fixed income securities could be considered as a package of zero coupon bonds after applying arbitrage free valuation. Moving on to the third part of it, which is interest rate trees and arbitrage free valuation. Over here, one should remember what is the binomial interest rate tree. It is the interest rate model that governs the random process of interest rate with assumed level of interest rate volatility and current benchmark yield curve. So these three, one model. So the binomial interest rate tree has three assumptions to it, which is the model governs the a model governs interest rate model governs that governs the random process of interest rate. Another is the second assumption is the about the assumed level of interest rate volatility. And the third assumption is yeah, and the third assumption is it makes an assumption about it uses a current benchmark yield curve. Coming on to the first assumption, interest rate model that governs the random process of interest rate. So over here, what you need to be careful about is that the interest rate model that we take into consideration is a log normal model where the interest rate adjacent interest rate on the tree are multiples of e to the power of 2 mu. And second is that interest rate cannot be negative if we are making this, we are taking log normal model. This is a benefit of this. And another is that higher volatility at higher interest rates. Then moving on, what is volatility and how it is estimated? In simple log normal distribution, changes in interest rate are proportional to interest rate level of the one period interest rate each period, which means it is dependent on the interest rate in the previous period. So higher the interest rate in the previous period, higher would be the distribution, or wider would be the range of interest rate. To calculate standard deviation for a 1 year rate, what you have to do is you have to multiply I naught by volatility. Two methods to estimate interest rate volatility are historical and implied. Now moving on, determining the value of bond at a node. So determining a value of bond, as we have said, like a bond could be considered as a zero coupon bond. So if we want to value a bond, we use a process called backward induction, and it helps us to determine the bond value at every node. So the formula for that is this. Moving on, constructing the binomial interest rate tree, or it is also called calibrating the interest rate tree. There are four steps to it. First, it is to determine the f, that is the forward rates. then determine high and low rates. Then high and low rates, by that I mean if you got a forward rate for say 1 year, then you have to multiply it by uh, e to the power of 2a, and also the difference between the two should be e to the power of 2a. So that is basically what I mean. And moving on, determining high and low rates. Check if these rates result in the benchmark bond value. So we'll have a benchmark bond value already, and if that results in that value, if these interest rates help to discount the cash flow in such a way that the final value is equal to this benchmark bond value, then we say the interest rate tree is calibrated. If not, we need to make adjustments. Then moving on, valuing an option free bond with the tree. So there is a simple example in the curriculum. So it is very easy. It just follows these steps and applies this formula. Moving on, pathwise valuation. Pathwise valuation is nothing but it is a different form of, you could say a similar form, similar but a bit different form of calculating the bond value. Over here, what we do is that we determine all the parts of the cash flow or interest rates, and then we find the present value from all those parts, and then we average it out, and that value is the benchmark. If that value is equal to the benchmark bond value, then we say it is calibrated. Moving on to the fourth part, which is Monte Carlo method. So over here, one important thing to note is it is used for securities which cash flows are part dependent. So used when a security's cash flows are part dependent. It is a very important point to know. Then moving on, stimulate numerous parts of interest rate under some volatility assumption and probability distribution. So what basically Monte Carlo simulation does is that it stimulates numerous parts under two assumptions. One is about volatility and other is about the probability, whether it would be a normal distribution, etc. Then moving on, it generates spot rates from the stimulated future interest rates. Then in the third step, it determines the cash flows along each interest rate path and then calculate the present value of each part. Calculate the average present value across interest rate paths. It is basically something similar to pathwise valuation, but a lot more extensive. Then moving on, constant added. If a constant is added at the end of the Monte Carlo simulation to the interest rate, then we say it is a drift term, and the Monte Carlo model is drift adjusted model. Then moving on, the Monte Carlo method is only good as the valuation model used and the currency of the accuracy of the input. And also the inputs consider over here, another assumption is that most of the inputs are mean reverting. So that is